Welcome back to InfiGyan, my dear friends. Today in this video, we are having one very interesting and challenging exponential equation problem, and we have to find out all real values of x. So let's get started. Straight away towards our substitution, I will consider xth root of 2 equal to, let us consider a. Now we have to find out what would be the value of xth root of 4, 8 and 16. So I will write only xth root of 4. We can write this as 4 as 2 square, whole power is 1 by x. Now using the property of exponent a power b whole power c, we can write anytime a power c whole power b. So we can swap these two powers. So I will be writing here 2 power 1 by x whole power 2, and 2 power 1 by x is a. So I will write this value as a square. So similarly I can write xth root of 8, it would be a cube. Xth root of 16, it would be a power 4. Let us put all the value, and xth root of 1, this value will be always 1 once x is real. So I will write our equation as a power 4 minus 2a cube minus 2a square divided by 4a square plus 2a minus 1 equal to 1. Now it is exponent, so a cannot be equal to 0 and it would be always positive. It won't intersect x-axis, so it would be always positive. Now I will cross multiply. So it will become a power 4 minus 2a cube minus 2a square equal to 4a square plus 2a minus 1. Take all the term to LHS. So I will be writing a power 4 minus 2a cube minus 6a square minus 2a plus 1 equal to 0. This is one quartic equation. If you will see the coefficients of this quartic equation, we are having similarity in the respective terms or coefficients. So I can consider the division of a square. So let us write this equation: a power 4, then minus 2a cube, then minus 6a square, then minus 2a, then plus 1 equal to 0. As you can see, a is not equal to 0. So we can divide this equation with a square. So let's divide this equation with a square. A square, I will write division with a square. Okay. Now first term I will be writing a square minus 2a minus 6 minus 2 over a plus 1 over a square equal to 0. After rearranging it, I will write a square plus 1 over a square. Then I will take minus 2 common from second and second last term. It would be a plus 1 over a. Then we are having minus 6 equal to 0. Now we will substitute a plus 1 over a equal to, suppose it is t. So let me write here a plus 1 over a equal to t. Now I will take the square of this equation because it is also required, a square plus 1 over a square. So a square plus 1 over a square plus 2ab. So it would be 2 only. Right hand side would be t square. So from here I can write a square plus 1 by a square equal to t square minus 2. So here I can write t square minus 2. Here I need to write 2t minus 6 equal to 0. So conclusion is t square minus 2t minus 8 equal to 0. This is one quadratic equation. Now we have to solve this. Remember, our substitution is a plus 1 over a equal to t, and a is xth root of 2. Let us solve this quadratic first. T square minus 2t minus 8 equal to 0. Let us use factorization method. So 8 we can write 2 times 4. So let us split our central term as minus 4t plus 2t. Product will be minus 8 and addition would be middle term minus 2. Now I will take t common, t minus 4, 2 common, t minus 4 again. Now we will take up t minus 4 overall common. So here I will be writing t plus 2. Once t minus 4 equal to 0, then I can write I will be having t equal to 4. And once we will be putting t plus 2 equal to 0, then we can write t equal to negative 2. Now if you will simplify after putting the value of t was a plus 1 over a. Let me write here. So I will be writing this equation as a plus 1 over a equal to 4. And we can write this equation as a plus 1 over a equal to minus 2. Let's solve both the equations. So if I will solving this equation first, then I will be writing a square plus 2a after taking LCM plus 1 equal to 0. Or this is one perfect square. A plus 1 whole square it is equal to 0. So from here we will be having a equal to negative 1 and negative 1. And if you remember what was a was xth root of 2, which cannot be negative. It must be always greater than 0. So we will reject this solution. So I will write here rejected. Now let us consider this equation a plus 1 over a equal to 4. I will write here a plus 1 over a equal to 4. Take LCM, a square minus 4a plus 1 equal to 0. Let's apply quadratic formula. A equal to minus b, so 4 plus minus under the root b square, so 16 minus 4ac minus 4 divided by 2a, so 2. Now a will be equal to 4 plus minus square root 12 over 2. Now 12 we can think about 4 times 3. So I will be writing 2 square root 3 divided by 2. So ultimate values we are having 2 plus minus root 3. Now what was a? A was exponential substitution xth root 2. So I will be writing here xth root of 2 equal to 2 plus minus root 3. Now I will take log, or let me write in this manner, 2 power 1 over x equal to 2 plus minus root 3. Now let us consider log both sides. So I will be writing log 2 power 1 over x equal to log 2 plus minus root 3. Now using log property, I will write here, let me write that property first, log a power b. So this b will come as a multiplier, b log a. So I will take this 1 over x as a multiplier. So it will become 1 over x log 2 equal to log 2 plus minus root 3. 2 plus root 3 is of course positive. 2 minus root 3 is also positive. So we can consider log 2 minus root 3 also. So from here I can write x will be equal to log 2 divided by log 2 plus minus root 3. Now we need to put only the values, but I will split both the plus and minus sign separately. So I can write here x is equal to log 2 over log 2 plus root 3, and second solution I will write with minus sign log 2 over log 2 minus root 3. If you will put both the values, means the value of log 2 plus root 3, log 2 minus root 3. So log 2 is 0.3010, 2 plus root 3. So it would be root 3 is 1.732. So it would be 3.732. Here I will be writing here 0.3010, and denominator I will write 2 minus 1.732. So it would be 0.23268. Okay. Now I will take log of the denominator. So it will be 0.3010, and log 3.732. It is 0.5719, and here also I will be writing numerator as it is, and denominator value would be same value with negative sign, 5719. So I can conclude my result from here. X will come out 0.5263 with plus sign and minus 0.5263. This is the final result which we will get from the given exponential equation. I hope friends this video will be meaningful to you. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck and take care of yourself. Bye.